Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to share you a tutorial on how to turn off the notification on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, as we know, there are a lot of notifications that come to our cell phone, such as notification from application or from the cell phone system. So turning off this notification is really easy guys. So I'll show you how. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone first, and then here you can scroll down a little bit and you can go to notification center, and then there will be so many apps that you can turn it off the notification like this. You can do it one by one like this, or if you want to make the quiet one, you can also turn on the feature don't disturb. Okay, to turn it on is we just still in settings menu, and then here you can go to sound and vibration, and here you can activate do not disturb, so all notification will be declined from the phone. And yeah, so here's the tutorial guys on how to turn off the notification on Infinix Smart 8, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss another interesting video from this channel. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching.